Excuse me, sir. So, may concern lang po ako. Kasi po, actually, last week, kaka-married lang namin. Ito kasi yung concern ko. Ito. Naano kasi siya, nabutas siya last night. So, I pumped him last night. So, actually, this is my boyfriend. Kaka-married lang namin yesterday. And then, so, honeymoon namin last night. So, actually, I pumped him, obviously. So, nabutas kasi siya. And then, ang tanong ko lang sana kung meron kayo dyang injector. Kasi di pa siya ready kasi talaga eh. Lalo na independent siya. Magkaanak. Yeah. Ang tanong ko lang, baka may injector kayo dyan. Injector ng spiritual gel.
Meron ba tayo nun, sir? You explain to this guy. Pump ng sperm.
Pump ng spiritual wala kayo nun. Kasi hindi pa siya ready talaga, independent siya.
I'm not
eh.
ready for the baby.
Wala kayong injector
But I have a pen
ng spiritual gel. Sige sir, thank you so much sa concern niyo.